All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Dogecoin community. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, we're at the end of the year. December 1st started off on a really positive note. Of course, as of recording this update, we are obviously approaching Monday morning. It's past midnight. And I wanted to talk about Dogecoin, really understanding what's happening and whether or not we could actually be seeing a new all-time high coming up this month. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Shout out to Mazara, a huge supporter of mine. This video is literally dedicated to Mazara. I apologize I wasn't able to give you this update specifically yesterday, but this update is dedicated to my friend Mazara. Shout out to you, love you, thank you for all your support. But yeah, guys, let's take a look at what's happening with Doge. So, when I pull out the charts, things will make a lot more sense. But if you're looking at the price, 43.7 cents, up 2.5% in USD, also up 2.4% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap at $64.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume still quite high, currently sitting at 11.5 billion. Amazing. But if you're looking at the broader meme coin market, a lot of small caps are popping off right now. A lot of small caps are sending right now. But again, with small caps, higher risk, of course, right? The risk of you getting rugged is extremely high, and you need to understand what meme coin market is. You can't just blindly, especially if you're new into the market, guys. I know there's so much new money coming into the market right now. So of course, when new money is coming in, a lot of new holders as well, you want to be very, very careful which coins you're getting into. You need to understand the meme coin market. You need to understand liquidity. You need to understand honeypots. There's so much to learn. Don't blindly put your money into some of these meme coins, because there's some that you can't even sell that are honeypots. There's some that get rugged. There's some that has barely any liquidity. There's so many factors to it. So if you're a newcomer, guys, be very, very cautious. I cannot stress this enough. Don't go based off of what some random dude on TikTok is saying. Half of these people have no idea what they're talking about. So be very cautious. But if you're looking at Dogecoin, guys, it's holding really good. In the top, obviously, it's the top coin, up 2.7%. So it's showing us quite a bit of momentum right now. But let's kind of go a little bit more in depth and really understand what's happening. So of course, I'm sure you guys need no introduction right now for the dominance index. Dominance index is pulling down. It's pulling down quite sharply. I know a lot of people are going to come and focus more on some of the other coins, the likes of these other coins that were popping off but nowhere to be seen right now. What's the case? Utility projects are moving. I repeat, utility projects are having their time. Meme coins are actually lagging behind. And what's actually happening is a lot of meme coin profit. I'm not talking about Dogecoin here. I'm talking about small cap coins. A lot of the meme coin profits are actually going back into altcoins. These utility projects that did not move over the course of the last, 2 years. People are seeing the opportunity. At the end of the day, meme coins, of course, are a great alternative, to have fun. Kind of brings fun to your portfolio and stuff. But at the end of the day, utility projects are where it's at. The ones that are building. And once regulation comes in, do you think meme coin market is going to be thriving the way it is? I personally don't think so. I think there's going to be a lot of different areas where it's not going to be as lucrative as it is now. So that's what you need to understand. But that does not mean meme coins are not fun. I love meme coins. You guys know on this channel, I am an absolute huge fan of meme coins. But you need to understand the risk factor to it. You don't want to be getting emotionally attached to your meme coins at the end of the day. If you're sitting here thinking, some of these other random name coins are going to be like, changing the world, and like you're going to be here, in 10, 20 years. Come on, guys. Your boy Crypto ZX will tell you that's not going to happen. I promise you that's not going to happen. Maybe Dogecoin is going to be here to stay. It has obviously built, quite a bit of momentum for itself. It has that first mover advantage. But again, we need to understand it's a meme coin at the end of the day. But speaking about right now, obviously this bull cycle, of course, the dominance is going down. Utility projects have been popping off. If you're looking at Bitcoin has been trading sideways. Of course, we know what happened just a few days back, going down to $90,781 after the Bart Simpson pattern, kind of flashed. Obviously, that flash crash did happen, and here we are, making a recovery quite fast and holding quite strong as well. But what in return has happened is, the dominance is, just going down and down and down. And I know a lot of people are, beyond excited about the dominance because, of course, altcoins are popping off. But let's take a look at Dogecoin. Guys, let me tell you, Dogecoin chart, and you guys know on this channel, I keep it 100% unbiased with you guys. This right here is one of the best looking charts right now. This next breakout will melt people's faces in the crypto space specifically. Not literally, but you guys know what I mean. Because what the next thing Dogecoin will do is, of course, close its daily candle above this 38.2. And we're having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of the 38.2 because, of course, bears know what happens after. Bears and the bulls are having a battle right here. If this is able to turn into support, guys, we could be heading towards the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement levels to 57 cents price point for the first time since, of course, 2021. And that, of course, is, where I start having all-time high conversations. And again, I want you guys to understand how good Dogecoin's holding. Let me just quickly shift to the hourly time frame. Wow. Just wow. Like, I'm actually speechless. And you guys know your boy Crypto ZX keeps it 100% unbiased. If this was looking bearish, I'm not shy enough by saying, guys, this is bearish. This is looking bullish. Extremely bullish as well. After we broke out of that key resistance, look at the way this thing has held. The key resistance at 35 cents. We pretty much just stayed above this range and have been accumulating beautifully. I repeat, beautifully in the 0.50 zone. And of course, we saw that retest back on November 23rd into the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Of course, it's a rejection. We came down to the 0.50, and here we are yet again retesting the 38.2. And again, it is coming as a rejection. Like I said, the importance of that zone is quite a bit. But yeah, on November 26th, if you picked up Dogecoin, you would have been up about 23% just a few hours ago. But I'm loving the way Dogecoin's accumulating right now. Once this turns into support, guys, I think Dogecoin can start flying to the likes of the 56.2 cents key resistance quite fast. I want you guys to kind of take a look at it on the hourly time frame, kind of going back to the earlier time. Here we are. So here we are. So of course, you can see where we're finding the support right now. Obviously, if we're able to break out of this range, pretty much, guys, we're clear to head towards the 53 cents. And after that, like I said, the 23.6 fib zone. We retested it back in May as well. After, the top happened, we saw a retest down to the point, the 61.8 support at 35 cents, retested the 23.6, got rejected. Then, of course, the bear market started and the rest is history. Of course, look at that. Look what happened after. Just kept on going down. And yeah, here we are. We're about to make history for Dogecoin as well. I'm really liking this chart. And I think the next breakout, once you see that close, it's going to be really exciting for the Dogecoin holders. But let me know down below what you guys think. Where do you see Dogecoin going? Do you think Dogecoin is the only meme coin that's going to be here to stay? Or do you think there's going to be, a few handful in the long term, of course? I think, a lot of meme coins are going to get shifted. Obviously, this is an extreme important reminder to you guys to, lock those profits in when you see that. And of course, meme coins can, go crazy and you can make some life-changing gains. But if you're not going to be locking the profits, you're going to be, leaving a lot of money on the table. So lock those profits and have an exit strategy. Don't get emotionally attached to these meme coins. Remember, you're here to make profits and lock those profits. And if you don't, someone else will do it. And then that will cause a snowball effect and your profits will get wiped out quite fast. So continuous reminder of that. But as far as Dogecoin is concerned, I love the way it's holding right now. We'll keep you guys updated. Shout out to Mazara, of course. Again, love you, my dude. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.